Hello and welcome. I'm Alan Thompson, the hardest working realtor in West Volusia, and I'm fortunate enough today to be joined with Karina. Karina, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and what it is that you do?
Hello, my name is Karina Alvarez. I own a cleaning business, Artisan Elite Cleaning LLC. I was born in Colombia, raised in Alaska. I was brought up by a Spanish family, obviously, who taught us how to clean and clean well. I was able to use my cleaning abilities and start a cleaning business. I'm also a single mom of 4 kids, and I looked at how I might be able to be available for my kids and decided to open a cleaning business doing something that I enjoy, helping others. Yeah, it's a great feeling when you've helped somebody clean their home or office. I've had my business for 7 years now. I'm very detail oriented. I like to treat people's homes and offices as if it were my own. I'm also Christian, and I base my business off of a Bible verse, Colossians 3:23, where I'm going to have to read here. And whatever you do, do it heartily as to the Lord and not to men, knowing that from the Lord you will receive the reward of the inheritance, for you serve the Lord Christ.
I will take it that you've cleaned a lot of offices and a lot of houses, right?
Yes.
Do you know how many? Have you ever counted them?
It's been a lot.
No number can be tied to that.
Because sometimes it's a one-time clean. So I've had a lot of one-time cleans, but no, I haven't kept track of every single one.
So in your experience and with all the people that you've talked to, what is the most common problem that people run into in cleaning their homes or their offices?
Oh, the most common problem would probably be, well, I'll give you some cleaning tips that will help. For example, you always want to clean in order. Start from top to bottom, left to right, or right to left. Meaning if, for example, I clean the kitchen and I start with the refrigerator, clean the refrigerator, then move to my left and continue, or right if you want to continue right, and continue cleaning in that direction from top to bottom. Make sure you get everything. So clean the microwave before you clean the stovetop, because whatever is in the microwave can fall onto the stovetop. And also just continue, to your right or to your left in that order, so that you're not all over the place trying to remember what you've already cleaned and what hasn't been cleaned.
So I have to make a confession here. I am not the cleanest person in the world. I will do anything but clean. I'll work all day long, but I'm not going to come home and clean the house. But what you're saying, I can compare that to mowing the lawn. When I'm mowing the lawn, I go in a particular direction or I go a particular way so that I don't lose my place, that I'm not just drawing
Exactly.
circles in the lawn or,
Right.
that's
Or
kind of what you're telling us.
another tip would be to declutter, get rid of things that you no longer use, whether it's get rid of or donate. And that leaves more open space for things that are being used. And then begin your cleaning.
Okay, where do you recommend donating to?
Personally, I donate to Our Father's Closet in the land. A lot of people tend to run to Goodwill or Salvation Army, and nothing wrong with that, but I like to help, local organizations.
So how long have you been doing cleaning now?
7 years. I've had my business for 7 years.
And you're licensed, insured?
I'm licensed and insured, yes.
And do you have any other tips for those that are like me and maybe cleaning isn't done as often or as much as it should be?
Another tip would probably be, how some people just lay the soap down or the chemical down and start scrubbing. Sometimes it's best to lay the soap down, the chemical down, whatever you choose to use to clean, let it soak, and then it should be easier to just wipe up, as opposed to scratching your surface, ruining something, or giving yourself more work.
Okay, fantastic. For somebody like me who is probably not going to take much of your advice, and we would want to hire somebody like you, how do we get a hold of you?
So my name is Karina Alvarez. The name of my business is Artisan Elite Cleaning LLC. You can find me on Facebook, Artisan Elite Cleaning LLC, or you can call me 407-415-8928, or you can email me artelite14@gmail.com.
Perfect. And tell me, what areas do you clean?
I clean from Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach, all the way down to downtown Orlando. Lake Mary, Altamont, Sanford, Deltona DeLand, all these areas.
Perfect. Do you have anything else to add?
No, thank you so much for your time.
Hey, thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure, as always. Thanks again.
All right, thank you.